Is it a little deep there, buddy?
Nope, I'm good.
Yeah, it's only like...
I can do this.
Wow, you know what? I would say this is definitely a fail. Yeah, you said you were gonna run down the hill? I'm waiting. Run! Come on! Yeah, you ain't running nowhere.
Oh God.
Here.
Okay, I got this.
You ain't got nothing. You're gonna get stuck. It'd be cool if we had a sled.
He's gonna make us one.
Dylan, she's all, is he okay?
I want to get into the shed.
Come on, buddy. Back this way.
Daredevil.
Oh, my Lord.
Much easier.
Oh, my gosh.
Shane. Well, it was much easier.
He's making a divot in the snow.
Are you recording or pictures?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Nice.
What a dum-dum.
He's not a dum-dum. He's having fun.
He's so soaked. How is that? Okay.